Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business motion background using Smudge tool in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load a flat background that feels lifeless for business use. I take a breath here because transformation starts with patience. I duplicate the layer immediately. Now I select the Smudge tool and lower the strength. I begin dragging colors diagonally to create directional energy. I pause often to avoid chaos. Business visuals demand discipline. I zoom in and smooth harsh color breaks. I let my hand move slowly. This motion builds emotional flow. I step back and check if the background supports the business message. I add more smudge strokes behind focal areas only. I avoid